Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many users encounter when trying to set up SSHFS to access folders on a remote system. The main issue here is that even after setting up an SSH server with public key verification, the user faces a permission-denied public key error when attempting to connect via SSHFS. This can be quite frustrating, especially when everything seems to be set up correctly. Now let's delve into the solution that was found for this pesky problem. Interestingly enough, it turns out that using sudo was actually causing the issue. By simply omitting sudo from the SSHFS command, the connection was successful. It may seem simple, but sometimes the solution is not as straightforward as one might expect. So, remember, when in doubt, try going without sudo first. In summary, encountering a permission-denied public key error when trying to connect via SSHFS can be a real head-scratcher. However, the key takeaway here is to avoid using sudo in your SSHFS command, as it might be the culprit behind the connection issue. Sometimes the solution is as simple as that. Alright folks, that's all for today. Remember, don't let technical hiccups get you down. Keep troubleshooting, and you'll get there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!